A new industrial revolution has already begun. For centuries, technology shaped the jobs we do. But artificial intelligence is different. It doesn't just change tools, it changes how humanity works. Across industries, AI automation takes over repetitive tasks: manufacturing, data entry, logistics, routine customer service. It's not the end of jobs, but the end of certain kinds of jobs. For every task AI learns, new roles rise from the frontier. Jobs built not around machines. Education transforms. AI becomes the world's most adaptable teacher, training the next generation in coding, analytics, robotics, design, and creativity. In the age of AI, skills become the new currency. The global workforce evolves into a hybrid world, where humans handle creativity, judgment, empathy, and AI handles speed, computation, and precision. Entire economies shift. Some nations accelerate faster with AI. Others leapfrog decades of development using automation and digital ecosystems. AI becomes a global equalizer, but only for those prepared to adapt. The real change isn't about losing jobs, it's about shifting purpose. AI will reshape the global jobs market, but the future still belongs to humans who learn, adapt, and lead. The next revolution begins with us.